Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to give you a quick summary of what the purchase options are for the Magical Memories Mr. Benjamin Mix and Match album. A lot of you have questions, so I'm going to give you a history lesson on Mr. Benjamin. All right, so bear with me here. So Mr. Benjamin started with this one album right here. All right, so this is the original Mr. Benjamin album. So this is Mr. Benjamin 1. All right, it has its own unique pages. So this is its own tutorial, all standalone project. Okay, then some of you were, Kathy, I really love pockets and other details in my album. I wish I had some pockets and details in Mr. Benjamin. So I designed Mr. Benjamin 2, which has its own unique pages. So this is Mr. Benjamin 1 and Mr. Benjamin 2. So two completely separate tutorials, different projects. They're completely unique. There's nothing the same about them except that the pages interchange. All right, the size is the same. So then I had the brilliant Jennifer Every make me a third album, which is a combination of pages from Mr. Benjamin 1 and Mr. Benjamin 2, so that you all can see how the pages interchange and how you can make a completely unique album from these two. All right, so I wanted you to see how everything worked with pages from Mr. Benjamin 1 and Mr. Benjamin 2. That is where the Mr. Benjamin mix and match came about. That's where that one was born. So based off of this design, the page sequence and the page origination, where the pages came from, either from the 2 or the 1, that's what's in this album. All right, this is a 4-page album, and it is a mix and match from the Mr. Benjamin 1 album and the Mr. Benjamin 2 album. So then, same album. These are the exact same albums, except that this one is designed in this magical memory style with all of these beautiful SVG files here that give you this specific theme. So this Magical Memories album is theme specific. So if you're familiar with my Signature Stories project, what I have going on right now, this is similar to that, except that this is specific to the Mr. Benjamin album, or the sizes of the specifications of that particular album. So when the purchase options, when you go to my shop, the purchase options you have are the SVG files only. And the reason why I give you these options is because so many of you follow me for a long time that you may have the tutorials already for Mr. Benjamin 1 and 2, right? So why would you have to rebuy that if you already have it, you've made it, you're familiar with the album? So I wanted you to be able to just get the SVG files only. So that option is for those individuals who already own the tutorial 1 and 2. All right, not the trio. The trio is completely different. Okay, so in order to make this Magical Memories album, you have to be familiar and own the tutorials for Mr. Benjamin 1 and 2. All right, because those are pages from those two specific albums. So I wanted to give you all that one purchase option so that you don't have to get everything again, because it makes no sense. Then the second purchase option are for those who just want to make this album alone, who don't want the tutorials for Mr. Benjamin 1 and 2. You just want this album with these specific pages and done. So that is the second option that you see in your purchase page. That's the option with SVG files and the tutorial and video combo. What you get with that purchase is a tutorial and step-by-step videos on this album specifically. I walk you through how to construct the pages for this album specifically, not Mr. Benjamin 1 and 2. These specific pages that came from the Mr. Benjamin 1 and 2 album. All right, so you're not going to have two sets of tutorials, two sets of videos for two different sets of projects. You're going to have a tutorial and video combo for this one specifically, which is the Mr. Benjamin Mix and Match. All right, for the Magical Memories theme. All right, guys. So hopefully that is as clear as that's clear and not as clear as mud. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. I will put my email down below if you care to send me an email. I'll be happy to respond. And here, of course, on YouTube as well. I did notice someone asked me how many SVG files you get. You get over 40 different designs, but in terms of files, because there's matting files and layering files, there's over 100 files that you receive with this album. All right, so it's 4 different pages, 2 different inside covers, 1 and 2 covers here, and 40 different designs into the album, and you can fit 100 plus photos in this album. And this particular album measures 7.5 by 9 3/4 inches. So again, the tutorial and video combo that you see for purchase on this project is a tutorial for this album, Magical Memories, and videos for this album, Magical Memories. Okay, so if you own the Mr. Benjamin 1 and 2, you're not going to see the tutorial and video combo for this album specifically. All right, those tutorials are for these designs right here. Okay, the 1 and the 2. All right, however, if you're familiar with this, all you have to do is purchase the SVG files for this project, because there's no reason why you need me to walk you through the construction, because you already know. So you save a bundle on just purchasing the SVG files if you already invested in these 2 wonderful album designs. All right, so I try to keep everything fair for you guys, as fair as I possibly can, and I thank you all so much for your support and for loving the projects. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.